Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I am in Trevor's kitchen tonight and I'm excited. Trevor, we're gonna make a pie. It's gonna be the easiest pie you've ever made and it's delicious. I love Trevor for lots of reasons. One is that he's a foodie like me. So what we have is a 10-inch graham cracker crumb pie crust that we bought at the grocery store. Now, you can choose to make this if you want to, but we're gonna do it the easiest way possible.
I like easy.
Yes, we have how many ounces is this, baby? 8-ounce Cool Whip.
8-ounce Cool Whip.
We have 1 large can of crushed pineapple. Go ahead and pop that open, Trev. And the Eagle brand. So it's really, truly just 3 ingredients. Eagle brand, Cool Whip, and pineapple.
Do we need to drain it or anything?
Yep, I'm gonna drain a little bit and I'll drain it for you. Let me be your sous chef. Go ahead and open this and go ahead and put it in here.
So put the condensed milk in the bowl?
Yep. And we're gonna stick this bad boy in the freezer and let it get real good and set up. And then we'll serve it after dinner when we have our sashimi tuna and all the seafood. I can't wait. And I'm gonna grab you a spoon because we wanna get every bit of that out of there because that is your sweet stuff for this pie.
It's got a thick viscosity, so
It's
we
very
gotta
thick and very sweet.
scoop it a little
There
bit.
you go, honey.
Thank you.
And I'll open this for you while you're working there. And Trevor, you could use lemon juice for this. You want to use about 2/3 of a cup, or lime juice and make a key lime pie. It's the exact same recipe, okay?
Mm-hmm.
But I think your mom got some lemons, and I'm gonna cut 1 lemon. Where's your knife block at, baby?
It is,
Or-
we got a cutting block on top of that microwave.
Oh, I just need a knife.
It's a nice idea.
I'm just gonna squeeze a tiny bit of lemon in there. Like about 1/3 of a lemon. I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna squeeze it upright so that the seeds don't get in it.
Mm-hmm. That's a good idea.
Just to give it a little extra citrus boost. I think it'll be really good that way. Okay, and with that spoon, if you will fold in that whole container of Cool Whip.
All right.
And we're gonna dump this whole container, this is a 20-ounce of crushed pineapple. It's gonna be delicious. And it'll get nice and frozen and set up for us. We're gonna call this a pineapple dream pie.
It tastes like summer to me.
Yes, sir. And
I'm excited to try this.
we'll save our Cool Whip container because we like leftovers from these.
Yep. And there's a
Take
lid.
it, yep.
Okay.
And I got that spatula, or you can do it with a spoon, whatever you're comfortable with. Just stir it up.
Stir it like that.
Yep.
All right.
Get it blended all up. Are you sure you've never done this before?
I do a bit of cooking. I do spaghetti for them, and
Yum.
I make that and some other things, and sloppy joes, but I don't make a lot of desserts.
Oh no, I love sloppy joes. We love desserts though.
Yeah, I like desserts.
Mhm.
We had a good pie last night
Didn't
at the
we,
Country
though?
Squire.
Oh my gosh,
at Kentucky Derby.
Delicious.
It's homemade.
It was delicious.
Yeah, it was just phenomenal.
So once you get this blended, we're just gonna simply, and you can't mess this pie up, okay? You could add maraschino cherries to it and some pecans and have a banana split pie. You can put bananas in it. There's endless ways to do this pie. So once you get it all incorporated, just dump it into here.
How does that look?
It looks pretty good.
good.
I would push those up. Let me
Mash
show you
it a
something.
little more.
I would
more
just push it up
mashing?
against your,
Yeah,
like push the lumps out of
the
the
little lumps.
Cool Whip. Yeah.
Yeah, I see some Cool
It
Whip
was
lumps.
semi-frozen, I think,
Mm-hmm. Cool
which
Whip.
it won't be a big deal.
Yeah, the Cool Whip just arrived here fresh from the freezer, so it's got some lumps.
That's perfectly fine. This will be nice and refreshing for a hot summer night too.
Mm-hmm.
You got it.
Yeah. I'm gonna
That
try
looks good.
as well. And then just kind of mash it a little bit more.
Looks good.
Looks good.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Pour her in there. Save us a spoon to lick so we can taste the pie.
And just pour it right in.
Use your spout. Turn it around for me.
Oh,
There you
I didn't
go.
think about that.
Listen, you
I didn't
learn
know what that
something new
was.
every day.
There's a
You know-
spout on this bowl.
You know I've been in the kitchen a long time. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna cover it and stick it in the freezer.
Just keep pouring.
And listen, if we wanted to be, go ahead. If we wanted to be fancy, you know, like if we were serving it for some dignitary or somebody we wanted to impress, it'd be cool to have like like a fresh cut pineapple just put in the center of it. But it's just family tonight, so we're not gonna be fancy.
We're keeping it casual.
We're keeping it real and casual. All right, see what you think about the taste of that, Trev. Give me one and you take one. We're gonna cover it and we're gonna
That's
stick it
really
in the
good.
freezer. Isn't it good?
Try
And simple.
a little bit of that.
And simple.
Outstanding.
Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real.
It's light and sweet, but
Trevor?
not too sweet. It's
You would
just
do
enough.
this again though, right?
That was easy.
It's into the freezer it goes. Trevor, thanks for letting me come in your kitchen. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for joining us.
Like, share, and comment. Bye now.